Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea leaves at home. We'll cover everything from selecting the right leaves to the final drying process. You'll learn the simple steps involved, the basic equipment you'll need, and how to ensure your homemade tea tastes fantastic. Get ready to transform fresh leaves into your very own delicious brew, right in your kitchen. The first crucial step is harvesting. Choose only the freshest, youngest leaves and buds for the best quality tea. After harvesting, you'll need to wither them. Spread the leaves in a single layer on a clean surface, allowing them to air dry for about 12 to 18 hours. This process reduces their moisture content significantly, making them pliable for the next stage. Next, we move to rolling. Gently roll or bruise the withered leaves to break their cell walls, which releases enzymes crucial for flavor development. Following this, the leaves undergo oxidation. Spread them out in a cool, humid area. The duration of oxidation depends on the type of tea you're making. For example, green tea might oxidize for 1 to 3 hours, while black tea takes longer. The final step is drying, which stops oxidation and removes remaining moisture. You can use a low oven or a dehydrator until the leaves are completely dry and brittle. Proper drying is essential to prevent mold and preserve flavor. Once dry, store your homemade tea in an airtight container, away from light and strong odors, to maintain its freshness. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.